How to fix Google Chrome if it's not working on your phone. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. So first, for example, here there is Chrome, and if your Chrome is not working, you can refresh it. You can pull it down and refresh it. If it's still not working, you can click on the bottom left here and you can swipe up and you can open Chrome again. If it still is not working properly, you can completely uninstall the app, and once you uninstall the app, you can go to your Play Store and you can search for Chrome and you can reinstall it. Also see if there is an update on your phone. If there is an update, click on update and update it. Update it to the latest version, and most probably your error or problem will be resolved. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.